Hello everyone. So for today, I'll be showing you how to install VLC Media Player. Just go to your browser and browse it on Google. Search VLC Media Player download or just the media player. And then just click on the first link and it will be redirected to the homepage where you can see the download button. So you can select which OS you want to install or just click on the download. It will already detect your operating system. Just wait for the installer to be downloaded. Once the installer has been downloaded, just click on the file itself. Just open the file and just click yes on the pop-up window and select your language. Just click OK. After selecting your language, then click next, next, and next. And if you want to change the default installation folder, you can change it, but I will leave it like that way. So just wait for the installer to be finished. Then you can already run the VLC or you can uncheck it. So this, the VLC media player, which is one of my favorite media player since it can read a wide range of media formats. So thank you for watching, guys.